Today I'll repair Huawei GR3 2017. Display on it is broken, and I'll change it today. Hello to everyone and start disassembling. First of all, unscrew the two screws at the bottom of the phone. Next, take a pick and pry on the back cover, and snap off the latch around the circle. When you snap off, don't pull too much, there is a fingerprint on the cover. Put it next to the phone, the long cable from the sensor allows you to do this. To remove this cable, you need to unscrew the iron lid that holds some connectors. Unscrew the 3 screws on it and remove it. Next, easily disconnect the fingerprint cable and set the cover aside. It's not worth disassembling further, before checking the new display model. Disconnect the battery and LCD connector. Take a new model and check it before installing it and disassembling the phone. Connect the display, connect the battery and turn on the phone. The display works well. Now let's check the touchscreen on it. Go to the developer setting, click on the label, show the location of the pointer and check all the touchscreen zones. The model works perfectly, and therefore you can proceed to further disassembling of the phone. I'll show you how to disassemble the phone completely. Suddenly you want to buy a new display with a frame. Turn off the batteries and all remaining cables. Also turn off the antenna cable so that it doesn't interfere, and unscrew the bottom board. It is held by 4 screws. Unscrew them. After that, take up the speaker and remove it. The bottom board is screwed on with 1 screw. Unscrew and simply peel off the board. This is how it looks. If you need to change the charging connector, you can buy it and easily change it yourself. Next you need to remove the battery. This is black tab, for which in ideal conditions you can remove all the glue under the battery. But I rarely succeed, like here. The tab came off and therefore the battery will be removed by warming it up. Warm it up and pick it out with a pick and tear it off of the body. Here is the double-sided tape that should have come out with easy. Then unscrew the screw on the main board. After that, remove the black plastic with antennas, and the main board can be easily removed from the left side. There are grooves on the right. Great, the phone is completely disassembled, and now you can start to unstuck the model. At home you can do it with a hairdryer, as I did before, but today I will warm it with a separator to separate the display models. Set the temperature to 100 degrees and put the phone to warm up for a couple of minutes. After warming up, the broken display can be removed in any way convenient for you. After removal, I warm up again and remove all the fragments and glue with a scalpel. Next, degrease the place where the display will be glued. Don't forget to remove the earpiece mesh from the old display and insert it into the new one. And as usual, we apply B7000 glue. I haven't used double-sided tape for a long time. It always comes off. We remove the shipping films, install the display model and press it on all edges. And fix it with pins or in another way for 30 minutes. Buy in different shops with saving up to 30%. The cashback service Letyshops.com. More than 2 million users are already saving with us. Join to Letyshops. Links in description. After this time, it can be collected and tested completely, until the glue has completely set. Now we can assemble it. Insert the mainboard into the right edge. Then fix the front camera and press the board. Connect the cables, insert the upper plastic case. Then connect the display. Insert the battery back. Connect the cable of the lower board and fasten the board. Connect the speaker and turn on the phone for testing, before final assembly. Once again check the operation of the touchscreen, then I check the cameras, call and check the proximity sensor, ear speaker, microphone, main speaker and volume buttons. And after you were sure that the phone is fully functional, collect it to the end. Tighten all the remaining screws. Put the fingerprint cable on, fasten the lid holding the cables and close the cover. Insert the SIM card and fasten the two screws at the bottom. Then I leave the phone to dry further for 24 hours. Under spins until the glue dries completely. And that's all the replacement LCD on Huawei GR3. It's over. Did the video help or just you like it? Put like, and also don't forget to watch my other videos and click on the circle in the center of the screen and subscribe to the Art Bell channel.